Hello, I'm John with Michigan Adventure Life, a page dedicated to getting people outside to enjoy Michigan's many public lands. Today, I'll be going through a couple of maps I'm using to plan my first hike into the Pinckney Recreational Area on the Waterloo Trail system. The Waterloo Trail is mainly known for its biking paths, but with the weather warming up, I really feel a need to take advantage of all these local recreation areas that allow hiking and camping. This first map is from the Michigan DNR. This map shows more broad detail of the lakes and land use in the area. It could be good use if you're looking for additional activities in the area, such as accessing one of the many lakes, park areas, or equestrian trails. It can also be useful to find service roads in and around the recreational area, such as the one that runs by Blind Lake where I'll be camping. I'll want to pay close attention to this other map. This is the Pinckney State Recreation Area Bike and Hike map. Not only does it show a clear picture of the trails, it has the designated directions which both hikers and bikers must follow on the trails. I will always be hiking into oncoming bikers by design so both parties can do their best to prevent a collision. All the trails in this system are well marked, but it's extremely important to me that I not miss this shortcut trail, right here by Glen Brook Road. Missing the shortcut trail would turn my planned 6-mile hike to Blind Lake into almost 14 miles of hiking. Because of the limited space at the Blind Lake hike and camping, it's important to get reservations first. The Michigan DNR reservation website is quick and easy to use and allows me to pick the specific site I want. For me, I'll be trying out site number 10, as it's the most secluded, so it should be easier to film a bit while I'm out there. And that's about it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can get updates about my upcoming gear loadout video and hike video for the trip we planned today. Also, please check out MIAdventureLife on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching.